देशातील वाढते पर्यटन क्षेत्र व पंचतारांकित हॉटेलांसारख्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय आणि देशी ब्रँड्सना कुशल मनुष्यबळ पुरविण्यासाठी सिंधुदुर्ग जिल्ह्यात सावंतवाडी तालुक्यातील मळगाव येथे माई इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट या संस्थेचा 2024-25 या शैक्षणिक वर्षासाठीचा ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम 5 ऑगस्टला संस्थेच्या बँक्वेट हॉलमध्ये दिमाखात संपन्न झाला। यावेळी लोकमान्य ट्रस्टचे चेअरमन आणि तरुण भारत संवादचे समूह प्रमुख डॉक्टर किरण ठाकूर, लोकमान्य ट्रस्टचे संचालक पंढरी परब, माई इन्स्टिट्यूटच्या संचालिका सई ठाकूर बिजलानी, तरुण भारत संवादच्या संचालिका रोमा ठाकूर, अनंत उजगावकर, सावंतवाडी संस्थानचे युवराज लखम सावंत भोसले, युवराज्ञी श्रद्धा सावंत भोसले, तरुण भारत संवादचे सिंधुदुर्ग आवृत्तीचे संपादक शेखर सामंत, लोकमान्य एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे सिनियर एक्झिक्युटिव्ह प्रवीण प्रभू केळुसकर, लोकमान्य एज्युकेशनचे शिक्षण समन्वयक दत्तात्रय मिसाळे, हॉटेल ग्रँड हयातचे लर्निंग मॅनेजर प्रसाद पी प्रभू आदी प्रमुख मान्यवर उपस्थित होते। या कॉलेजमध्ये विद्यार्थ्यांना हॉटेल व हॉस्पिटॅलिटी मॅनेजमेंटचे धडे मिळणार आहेत। यावेळी उपस्थित मान्यवरांनी कॉलेजच्या ओरिएंटेशन कार्यक्रमानिमित्त शुभेच्छा दिल्या।
वेलकम टू यू ऑल ऑन दिस auspicious day. It is my immense pride and joy that I stand before you on the orientation day of my Institute of Hotel Management. As a hotelier by profession, a master's degree in marketing, and now a trustee to this institute, I am deeply honored to address you today. The idea of this institute came to our mind not less than 4 months back, where we had this beautiful institute ready, and we were looking at options of what to, start here. We had a lot of options that that came to our mind. We were wondering what to do, what would best suit Savanthwadi. Understanding that everyone today wants a good job, glamorous job rather, international job, and what better than hospitality. It helps you serve people, know people, make friends, travel international, develop relations. After COVID, the only industry that I think survived was hospitals and hospitality, because one, people started their home catering, two, people started hospital catering, and one thing what nobody stops from is eating. So tomorrow you all have secure jobs, don't worry about that. You've taken a right decision by taking admission here, because come what may, no one stops to eat. I think that I would like to give the young students who are starting or embarking their journey in hospitality is that our industry is so beautiful. It may require rigorous hours of work. It requires you to work 12 to 14 hours. All of us have done that. But at the end of the day, there will be days where you come home where you just want to cry. But there will be days that you will feel so fulfilled that you were able to make another guest's day better. What does hospitality stand for? Hospitality means putting others' needs in front of yours. And one thing that I live by is that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. And this is what I will leave you with today. You are embarking on a beautiful journey. You are going to learn a lot at this institute. And keep in mind that anything that you start in the future, just believe in yourself. If you believe in your product, do not feel shy to charge the money that you would like to. But at the end of the day, people will travel to you if you serve excellent quality and quantity. Namaskar.
आणि अशा तऱ्हेची इन्स्टिट्यूट काही मोजक्याच आहेत, तर आता सुरुवातीलाच आम्ही इतकी चांगली इन्स्टिट्यूट देतोय तर त्यानंतर किती भव्य असणार आहे या शाळेत, या चुकून शाळा म्हणतो, सगळ्या शाळाच असतात, पण या कॉलेजमध्ये शिकण्याचा अभिमान तुम्हाला वाटावा असं शिक्षण दिलं जाईल. आणि जगात तुम्ही कुठेही जाऊ शकता, शिपवर जाऊ शकता, अमेरिकेतल्या मोठ्या मोठ्या हॉटेल्समध्ये, इराणमधल्या हॉटेल्समध्ये, इजिप्त, इराकमध्ये तर कितीतरी 7 स्टार हॉटेल, मलेशियामध्ये 7 स्टार हॉटेल आहेतच. आणि कायच्या काय म्हणजे डोळे दिपतील अशा ठिकाणी तुम्ही काम करू शकता. कुठलंही काम कमीपणाचं नाही हे पहिल्यांदा लक्षात. पण हार्ड वर्क पाहिजे. 18 तास राजेसाहेबांनी 18 तास काम केलं, तर तुम्हाला काम करायला काय झालं? आमचे पंतप्रधान 18 तास काम करतो, माझे वडील सुद्धा 18 तास काम करायचे. तुम्हाला काय, तरुण मुलांनी एनर्जेटिक आणि प्रचंड पैसा मिळाला पाहिजे. या देशात आपलं विश्वगुरु होण्याच्या दृष्टीने 2050 साल आम्ही असणार नाही, पण तुम्ही असणार. सगळ्या जगातला श्रीमंत देश भारत झाला पाहिजे आणि सगळ्यात जगातला पॉवरफुल हा आपला देश झाला पाहिजे, एवढं सांगून मी आपल्या रजा.
Big congratulations from our side and from family. It's very nice to have a central education institute present over here, because there's a lot of BSc degrees, Bombay University related colleges, Hotel Management College around the area, but to have a recognized institute from the center is a very prominent thing. So similarly, I also did my IHM. I did it from IHM Mumbai, and that time it was, I think so, it was under IGNOU, and now it has changed to Jawaharlal Nehru University. So I would like to tell you a little experiences of myself when I was studying there. So firstly, there are a lot of people, like other than my family, there were a lot of negativeness when it came to hotel management, because they said that you being from a royal family, why are you getting into this street where you're working for someone, where you're being a chef? But I said one thing is that if you like doing something, no matter what the work is or how the work is, you should definitely take part in it because you love it. Because you will do it with that much more interest and that much more life in it. So I believe that if you love doing something, you should definitely go ahead and do it. And in those 3 years when I was there was the internship which was for 6 months, and you work in each department. And so madam also was there in IHM. So in those 6 months you're working each department, you're working in the housekeeping, you're working front office, and you're working food production. My interest was always food production, always the kitchen, but you had to do all these departments.